I'm Rusty Lindquist, founder and CEO of Life Engineering. You know, when I talk to business owners and executives and leaders and hiring managers throughout the country, what I have found is that they all have one thing in common. That is, they all want to make the right hire. They're looking for the ideal candidate. And so what they do is they collect the resume. And the resume, of course, will tell you this candidate's skills or the talents that they've accumulated and their experience, the amount of time they've spent in that role or using those skills. We hire those skills and that experience, and we expect certain behaviors. Unfortunately, what shows up to work is not the resume, but the person. It's the energy they bring to the office. It's their motivations and perspectives and values and characteristics. And when I talk to these people, I ask them one simple question. Have you ever made a bad hire? Without any exception, the answer is absolutely yes. And they can conjure up in their mind just how painful it was, just how expensive it was. And so I'll ask them, well, did you assess their skills? Did you assess their experience? And they say, well, yes, of course we did. That only means one thing. Assessing skills and experience is not enough. You have to look deeper. You have to look below the waterline at the energy that individual is going to bring into the organization. You have to look at the personality. The problem is, until now, we haven't had the ability to truly understand a person's personality before you make the hire decision. At Life Engineering, we wanted to change that. So we set about building a personality assessment specifically for this purpose. We call it the Personal Energy Profile. It's based on over 25 years of research with millions of dollars invested and a dedicated team of scientists and subject matter experts. Let me show you briefly what it looks like. This is the Personal Energy Profile. As you can see, it contains exhaustive amounts of data into the specific formula of elements of the individual that has taken it. Their strengths, their weaknesses, the types of tasks they'll succeed at, tasks that they'll be challenged by, careers that they'd be good at, attributes, what this person will do if disengaged or facing adversity, what they do if they face stress, what their worldview is, what they're like as an employee. All kinds of amazing data about the individual. Now, all of this information is available to the hiring manager before the hire, allowing that person to be able to hire the candidate that has the highest probability of success. So much information that we've never had access to before, helping to make sure that you always have the ability to make the best hire. Better yet, candidate personality profiles are completely free. That means there's no barrier. There's no reason why an organization shouldn't implement a personality profile assessment as part of their normal, ordinary hiring process.